I am the best. One fine day, Mrs. Lucy went to the market and bought some fresh vegetables. She wanted to prepare a delicious feast for Christmas the next day. She put the vegetables on the kitchen counter and then became busy decorating her home for Christmas. I have such a lot to do, she said to Anna, her little daughter. The vegetables were left alone on the kitchen counter and they started talking to one another. Each vegetable felt it was the best, and this started a heated argument. I am the most versatile of all, boasted Aloo the potato. From crispy fries to spicy curries, I can do it all. The assertive Pyaz the onion countered. But without me, your dishes lack depth and flavor. I make onion pakoras and delicious onion rings. I add the perfect punch to every meal. Joining the conversation, Gajar the carrot proudly said, and I bring a natural sweetness and vibrant color to every dish. Everyone's favorite Gajar halwa wouldn't be the same without me. Listening intently, Phool Gobi the cauliflower nodded in agreement. Yes, and I add a unique crunch to every recipe, whether it's gobi paratha or gobi Manchurian. Not to be left behind, Hari Matar the green peas chimed in, and I bring freshness and texture to every bite. Just imagine delicious aloo matar without me. Tomato the tomato joined the conversation. And don't forget about me. I am the base of all gravies and sauces, especially Mrs. Lucy's favorite spicy tomato soup and Shahi Paneer. So, I am the best. Now, it was the turn of Palak the spinach to speak. I am the best veggie around because Popeye loves me. He eats me up and gets super strong. I have got lots of good stuff inside, like iron and vitamins that make people healthy and strong too. So, if anyone wants to feel great, they just have to eat me, like Popeye does. Finally, Hari Mirch, the unassuming green chili, spoke up. I might be small and just be used for adding a touch of spice and flavor, but I am still important. All vegetables are equal and none is better or more important than the others. So, dear friends, we all have our own roles to play, making each one essential in its own way. The other vegetables realize that all of them are indeed equal. All the vegetables became friends and apologized to each other. Indeed, together we create magic in the kitchen. Let's embrace our diversity and work together to make the Christmas feast really memorable. So all the vegetables together helped Mrs. Lucy make a delicious feast for Christmas. Everyone enjoyed the meal and appreciated Mrs. Lucy's hard work. Dear children, just like the variety of vegetables in the kitchen, each person has their unique qualities and strengths. When we work together with understanding and cooperation, we create something truly special and delightful. That's all, kids. Bye for now and see you next time.